In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you need to ensure you are logged into both your Monday.com account and your Microsoft Teams account. It's important to sign in with a work or school account because personal accounts may not support this integration. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific Monday.com board that you want to connect with Teams. This is where you'll be managing your tasks and tracking your project progress. Next, look for the Integrate button located in the top right corner of the board interface. Clicking on this button will open the Integration Center, which is where all the magic happens. In the Integration Center, you will see a search bar. Type Microsoft Teams into the search bar, and you'll find the option to select it. This step is crucial as it is how you establish the link between your Monday.com board and Microsoft Teams. After selecting Microsoft Teams, you'll need to connect your Microsoft account. Simply click to connect, and you will be prompted to enter your work or school email. Make sure to authorize the connection when prompted. It's worth mentioning that if you have already integrated Outlook, this process might be quicker for you since both platforms share the same Microsoft ecosystem. Once your account is connected, you can choose a template for the integration. You'll see various options, also known as recipes. One popular choice is to select when an item is created, notify a team, and channel. This will allow your team to stay updated in real time as new items are added to your board. Now it's time to configure the automation. This is where you specify which team's channel and team should receive the notifications. You can tailor the integration to fit your workflow by mapping out any specific details you want included in your notification messages. Think about what information would be most helpful to your team. After you've customized everything to your liking, the next step is to activate and test the integration. Click on the Add to Board button to finalize the setup. It's a good practice to test the integration to ensure everything is working as expected. To do this, create a test item on your Monday.com board. If your integration is set up correctly, you should see a notification appear in your designated Microsoft Teams channel. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. This connection can significantly enhance your team's collaboration, ensuring that everyone is on the same page with project updates and task notifications. Don't forget to keep an eye on how well the integration is serving your team's needs. Adjust and tweak the notifications as necessary so they always provide the most value. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this integration as beneficial for your teamwork as many others have.